Foundation, we have a culture of giving maximum freedom and maximum choice to our team members. This really helps them to expand their potential and bring about the creativity to the best. The collaborative work environment really enables every individual to help everyone else become successful.
NIIT Foundation has a culture of appreciation and respect. We follow genuine contact methodology in which we connect with each other genuinely and honestly, and the conversation are really transparent. We follow praise and raise culture in NIIT Foundation. I think that's the reason we get this Great Place to Work certification.
In NIIT Foundation, we instill the spirit of cherishing and empowering by recognizing the innate potential of an individual and offering the space and opportunity for them to grow alongside the organization.
NIIT Foundation is not an organization only, it's a family of different people working in different locations. We always believe that we have to support them in every tough situation they may be in. Whether they have financial crisis, they have mental challenges, whatever it is, we always give them an opportunity where they can come and express. There have been a lot of time when the employee feels really not being able to express themselves. The entire leadership team has given them an environment or maybe an opportunity where they can come in and share their challenges without any blame and judgment. I think that's what really makes a great workplace to work with. And we have not even heard from an employee, but even with our other stakeholders that we are working. So for any good organization to have a beautiful environment is really give them an opportunity where they can come and express, come and share, and really work like a colleague. We don't believe in an atmosphere where they talk about an hierarchy. Yes, hierarchy is there, where there is an approval cycle that need to be followed, but hierarchy doesn't mean that you can't really come and share your problems. You can restrict your problem with yourself. So with this open atmosphere where people can come in and share their problem, I think we really help people to come out of their grief or any challenges that they are facing. And I believe this culture has really helped them and make NIIT Foundation a great place to work. थैंक यू।
तो मुझे लगता है कि NIIT फाउंडेशन में जो कल्चर की बात करते हैं तो हम लोग ये कल्चर फॉलो करते हैं जेन्युइन कॉन्टैक्ट का, और जो उसका कॉन्सेप्ट है कि हम अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में लाइफ नर्चरिंग इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं, काफ़ी हेल्पफुल करता है किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को उसके एम्प्लॉय को सस्टेन करने के लिए लॉन्ग लास्ट। और मैं भी 8 साल से यहाँ पे काम करता हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कल्चर। मुझे यहाँ पे किसी से भी बात कर लो, किसी लेवल पे बात कर लो, अगर आप अपने सीनियर से बात करते हो तो आपको वही फील मिलता है, अगर आप अपने से जूनियर से बात करते हो आपको वही फील मिलता है, और आप अपने सबऑर्डिनेट से बात करते हो तो वही फील मिलता है। और आप कभी ऐसे कॉर्नर फील नहीं करते हो, आपको लगता है कि जहाँ पर मैं काम करूँ वहाँ का कल्चर है काफ़ी अच्छा है, जहाँ पे आप अच्छे टाइम स्पेंड कर सकते हो। कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मैं थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट पार्ट है NIIT फाउंडेशन, जो कि इसकी वजह से मुझे लगता है कि हेल्प किया है कि हम ग्रेट प्लेस टू वर्क सर्टिफाइड हुए हैं। थैंक यू सो मच एंड कांग्रेचुलेशन टू ऑल द एम्प्लॉय ऑफ NIIT।
NIT's commitment to innovation, quality, employee development and supportive work environment makes it a great place to work. This culture ensures sustainability and high employee satisfaction.
This is my second organization which has been awarded as a great place to work, and I can easily understand why it is happening, because NIIT Foundation has given so many opportunities to so many their employees, whether it is personal or professional growth. The employee centricity of this organization is really very motivating for each and every employee. The sense of responsibility which NIIT Foundation provides us, and for us NIIT Foundation has taken so many responsibilities. These things always motivates an employee that they should work harder and they should continue doing good work for this organization. Thank you so much.
Mutual respect, trust and no blame and judgment makes NIIT Foundation culture different. In NIIT Foundation, organization look at creating growth opportunities for every individual, looking at what strength do they carry. And this makes NIT Foundation culture different and also makes NIT Foundation a great place to work.
NIT Foundation firmly believes in teamwork. Together, everyone achieves more, is the concept of this belief. We believe in collective wisdom. In order to solve complex problems, we get together and collaborate, share our thoughts and ideas, and find out solutions. And then we work as a team to achieve our goals. This makes NIT Foundation a great place to work.